In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate broker's license in the state of Kentucky. Whether you are looking to make a change or looking to open your own brokerage, becoming a broker can be a rewarding and fulfilling process. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple. Just follow these 6 steps. 1. You must have your sales associate's license in Kentucky for at least 2 years and be working a minimum of 20 hours a week. 2. You will need to complete 336 hours of approved Kentucky Managing Broker courses. 3. Take and pass a proctored final exam with a minimum score of a 75% or higher. 4. The Real Estate Commission will require you to get your fingerprints and send them off to the FBI or Kentucky State Police to process for a background check. 5. Take and pass the licensing exam with PSI. 6. You will need to fill out and file your application with the Kentucky Real Estate Commission. And that's it. In order to get a real estate broker's license in the state, you must complete a 48-hour broker management course and 288 additional hours of approved broker pre-licensing education. You may also use 9 college credit hours towards your broker's license, which is equivalent to 144 course hours. These courses do not have to be in real estate. Or 21 credits from an accredited college with 12 credits in real estate. The Kentucky Real Estate Commission requires each new licensee to obtain a background check before being eligible to obtain a license. The applicant will need to get their fingerprints taken with Ident-Togo and send the prints to the FBI or Kentucky State Police for processing. The Commission will evaluate each person's criminal history on a case-by-case basis. If you are unsure if you will be eligible, please confirm with the Commission. Each new licensee is required to pass a state licensing exam administered by PSI. The exam is broken down into 2 sections, a national portion containing 75 questions and state portion containing 50 questions. Each section must be completed with a 75% or higher to pass the test. Once you've passed the licensing exam, it's time to apply for your real estate broker's license. You'll need to fill out an application, submit any required documentation, and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Kentucky Real Estate Commission's website. It's important to remember that you only have 60 days from the time you pass the exam to apply for your license. The background check is also only valid for 90 days. So, that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate broker's license in Kentucky. It's a process that requires some determination and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real estate-related content.